Everyone, especially to our respected panel, Dr. Hazel Rebolio and Maed Antonio Tolentino III. I am Rizami Ogallardo from Group 177 with my co-researchers named Miss Sunshine Bajang and Rebecca Rivera. Today, we will present our study entitled Assessing the Social Learning Behavior of Grade 6 Students Having Modular Learning in Apocon Elementary School. According to Sabala and Piñol 2018, student misbehavior is a problem affecting schools across the nations and around the world. Schools are realizing that without character education, which can help establish a good learning environment, education itself may not be effective. Behavioral problems have been constant in the school environment for centuries. Recently, as the disruptiveness is embedding the learning and safety has begun to receive more than because the lack of discipline encourages students to act out with a little or no fear of consequences. All parents want what is the best for their children, but not every parent knows how to provide his or her child the tools to be successful, or how to help child avoid the biggest behavioral problems such as substance use, delinquency, school dropout, pregnancy, violence, and etc. Objective. We conducted the present study in order to assess the social learning behavior of grade 6 students in their modular learning. Specifically, it sought to find an answer from the research objective. To assess the social learning behavior of grade 6 students, there are the important concept of social cognitive theory, the reciprocal determinism, behavioral capability, observational learning, reinforcements, expectations, and self-efficacy.
Theoretical framework. This study used the social cognitive theory of Albert Bandura, 1986, on social cognitive learning behavior of students. The learning behavior of students is essentially important in order for the teachers to create and provide an intervention plan to help improve the students' social learning behavior. As you can see, conceptual framework, independent variables, social cognitive indicators, we have reciprocal determinism, behavioral capability, observational learning, reinforcement, expectations, self-efficacy. These are intervention program. Significance of the study. This result of this study eventually benefited the primary students since the study learning behavior of grade 6 student in modular learning. Definition of terms. Apocon Elementary School. This terms refers to a public school located in Tagum City, where the respondents are currently enrolled and are having modular learning. Grade 6 students. This terms refers to the grade 6 students currently having modular learning in Apocon Elementary School and are the research respondents of this study who will answer the survey questionnaire. Social cognitive indicators. This terms refers to the social cognitive indicators presented by Albert Bandura, 1986, in this social cognitive theory, wherein 6 social cognitive indicators are illustrated, namely reciprocal determinism, behavioral capability, observational learning, reinforcement, expectations, and self-efficacy. Social learning behavior. This terms refers to the behavior of grade 6 students in the modular learning, especially when they are socially interacting with other people. Research design. According to Hopkins, this study utilized a descriptive quantitative research design. The study utilized a descriptive quantitative research design since the aim of this study is to determine and assess the influence of social cognitive indicators on the learning behavior of grade 6 students and their modular learning. since the study aimed to investigate a significant relationship between the social cognitive indicators and the learning behavior of grade 6 students in class. Therefore, the quantitative research is the most suitable design.
Population samples. Purposive sampling will be used in selection of the respondent, so the respondent are the currently grade 6 student of Apocon Elementary School. Research instrument. The researchers created a survey questionnaire which were used for data collection. The survey tool was validated by group of experts to assure that the items in questionnaires were appropriate and correct. The survey questions were measured in a 5 Likert scale. Statistical tools used of this study was mean and percentage. And conclusion of this study, based on the findings arrived at, the following conclusion are given: that the social learning behavior of grade 6 students having modular learning in Apocon Elementary School was high. There was a need to implement an intervention program in order to improve the social learning behavior of grade 6 students having modular learning. And that's all. Thank you.